Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to create a really simple halftone effect in Photoshop without having to look for halftone patterns and textures on the internet and without buying some stock images. So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna use this image. I'm just gonna duplicate it to work non-destructively, and I'm gonna keep it in here. What I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna add a new layer. Then I'm gonna press Control and Delete to create a white, basically a white layer. And then I'm gonna go to Filter, then Filter Gallery. Let's close this folder and let's delete this glass. Okay, let's just keep it there. I'm gonna go to maybe Stylize. No, let's go for Sketch. Okay. And in here, let's look for the halftone pattern, and there it is. I'm gonna lower the contrast a little bit. I don't want a lot of contrast. I'm gonna keep this a dot, like this. Then I'm gonna click on this new effect layer, and what this does is, instead of just pressing OK, then go in another time to filter, then filter gallery, you could just add another layer on top of the already created halftone pattern. And for this one, I'm gonna go for tone edges. Gonna lower the contrast once again, and I'm gonna play with the image balance and the smoothness. You could zoom in to see what you're doing, of course. Right. Just something like this. I'm gonna press OK. And now, as you can see, we have our pattern. Now we're gonna try and change the blend-in mode of the pattern by going here and choosing overlay. I already like how this is looking, and I'm gonna go in here. I'm gonna go to filter, then noise, and I'm gonna add a little bit of noise. Make sure to check the monochromatic option and choose Gaussian. Just something like this. All right, now I'm gonna go in here and I'm gonna choose threshold. Then I'm going to press Ctrl L on our smart object. And like this, you could control your halftone, how much you want to decrease, how much you want to increase. All right, let's just press OK for now. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm going to duplicate this one. I'm gonna place it on top. We could turn off the levels, maybe the noise as well. And I'm going to change the blend-in mode to screen. I know it looks messy right now, but it's not a problem. Let's just go back and click on the threshold, and we could adjust the threshold and adjust how much we want of the pattern. You can see that it's disappearing from some areas. We could leave it like this and maybe adjust the levels. You have a lot of ways to control the pattern, since we like to work non-destructively. Or we could just simply turn all of these off and simply leave it like this. So you have a lot of options to work with. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to press like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon.